What's going on, guys? We're back with another video here today. So I got 6 fat packs of NBA hoops, looking for good turquoise teal explosions. So let's get into it. I got 1 from Lids, and I got the other 5 from Target. So I don't know. I didn't read those, but that was Seti, Jayshawn Tate, Kira Lewis Jr., Poku, Chris Paul, Josh Jackson, Tobias Harris, Cole Anthony, Carmelo, De'Aaron Fox, Mason Plumlee, John Collins, Dylan Brooks, Will Barton, Yusuf Nurkic, Mikal Bridges, all right, we're getting closer, Jaden McDaniels, Spencer Dinwiddie, Bojan, Thaddeus Young, Lights, Camera, Action, Ja, Skyview, Zion, and our turquoise. Oh, class of 2021 is Jalen Johnson, and then our turquoise is going to be Jaylen Brown. It's a nice looking card. Rookies: Scotty Lewis, Moses Moody, Sengun, Sharif Cooper, Bones Highland, and Joe Wieskamp. Next pack. Alright, we got Dame, Jonas, Valanciunas, Shai Gilgeous, LaMelo, that's a nice card. Isaiah Stewart, Chris Boucher, RJ Hampton, Russell Westbrook, Harrison Barnes, Dennis Schroeder, Kyle Kuzma, Jalen Smith, Jakob Poeltl, Duncan Robinson, CJ McCollum, Trae Young, Cameron Johnson, Royce O'Neal, Dougie McBuckets, PJ Tucker, Lights, Camera, Action, John Wall, got a LeBron Slam, and then arriving now, Jonathan Kuminga. That's a nice card. And then our teal is not a rookie. It's Mitchell Robinson. That's a bad one. Let's see the rookies. Franz Wagner, Jalen Suggs, Kai Jones, Keon Johnson, Luka Garza, and Jeremiah Robinson Earl. All right, 4 packs left. Come on, need a good teal. Maxi Kleber, Rashawn Holmes, Al Horford, Darius Garland, Christian Wood, Kelly Olynyk, Kyrie Irving, OG, Giannis, Danny Green, DeAndre Ayton, DeAndre Hunter, Kelly Oubre, Desmond Bane, Karl Anthony Towns, TJ Warren, Lonzo, Emmanuel Quickley, Luke Kennard, Denny, Slam, Gary Payton, Lights, Camera, Action, Kyrie, and then a purple Enes Kanter, and then another non-rookie, Nicholas Batum. All right, Herbert Jones, Jalen Green, Usman Garuba, Jalen Johnson, Brandon Boston Jr., and Isaiah Livers. All right, 3 packs left, halfway through. So far, no good teals, just 3 veterans. So Sadiq Bey, Joe Harris, Fred VanVleet, Bobby Portis, Andre Drummond, Steph, Dorian Finney-Smith, Kenrick Williams, Kenyon Martin Jr., Anthony Davis, Gordon Hayward, Jaren Jackson Jr., Jeff Green, Malcolm Brogdon, Patrick Williams, Derrick Rose, Eric Bledsoe, Rui, Joe Ingles, DeJounte Murray. You got a pure players, LeBron. It's a nice looking card. Slam, Chris Paul, purple, Terrence Ross, And our teal is another non-rookie. It is Mason Plumlee. That's brutal. All right. Juan Toscano Anderson, Isaiah Jackson, Trey Murphy, Jason Preston, Charles Bassey, and Trey Mann. All right, 2 packs left. A teal rookie would anybody. I'll take anybody at this point. Any teal rookie would make me happy because these veterans are brutal. Andrew Wiggins, Tim Hardaway Jr., Marvin Bagley, Marcus Smart, Colin Sexton, Gary Harris, Killian Hayes, Kevin Durant, Pascal Siakam, Drew Holiday, Paul Millsap, Miles Turner, Vucevic, RJ Barrett, Paul George, Davis Bertans, Anthony Edwards, Keldon Johnson, Bam, Norman Powell, Lights, Camera, Action, Tatum, another Chris Paul. Our purple is Derrick Rose, Garuba. All right, sweet. I'll take it. It's better than nothing. So Usman Garuba and Charles Bassey, Trey Mann, Corey Kispert, Miles McBride, Santi Aldama, Scotty Barnes. Last pack. So we got 1 teal, so can't complain. I'll take another though. All right, here we go. Boban, Tyrese Halliburton, Peyton Pritchard, Isaac Okoro, John Wall, Brandon Ingram, Kendrick Nunn, Tristan Thompson, Jason Tatum, Ricky Rubio, Jay Crowder, Lonnie Walker, Tyler Hero, Robert Covington, Kevin Huerter, Steven Adams, Justin Holiday, Zach LaVine, Julius Randle, Kawhi, NBA Slam LaMelo. I like that. It's a cool looking card, the future. Zion, Lights, Camera, Action is class of 2021, Quentin Grimes, and our teal is, I don't think it's a rookie, Theo Maledon. That's brutal. JT Thor, Joshua Prima. What is that? Are you serious? A little bump on it. That's weird. Isaiah Todd, Jared Butler, Chris Duarte, and Zaire Williams. So that's it for the pack opening. Obviously, not the best teals, but I'll take a rookie. So hopefully Garuba pans out, but it's a cool looking card. So that's it for the video today, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and peace out.